Ever pondered how to generate income online without any specific skills? Well, the digital era has opened a plethora of opportunities for everyone. So buckle up and explore these 10 ingenious ways to make money online without any specialized skills. Firstly, consider online surveys. Many companies pay for your opinion on their products or services. With no expertise required, all you need is a device with an internet connection and a bit of spare time to answer some questions. Secondly, think about freelancing. Websites like Upwork or Fiverr provide a platform to offer services like writing, graphic design, or social media management. Even if you don't have these skills, you can offer simple services such as data entry or virtual assistants. Thirdly, there's affiliate marketing. Promote other people's products and earn a commission on each sale made through your referral link. No need for stock, no need for a shop, just a platform to share these links, such as a blog or social media page. The fourth option, selling products online. Websites like eBay or Etsy allow you to sell anything from secondhand items to homemade crafts. All you need is a product, a price, and a platform. Fifthly, consider testing websites and apps. Companies pay for user feedback to improve their digital platforms. Just browse a website or use an app, then provide honest feedback. Entering online competitions and sweepstakes forms the sixth point. Although it involves a bit of luck, the prizes can be substantial. Seventh, try online tutoring. If you have a knack for explaining things, you can help students around the world with their homework or learning a new language. Eighth on the list is becoming a social media influencer. If you have a large following on any social media platform, companies may pay you to promote their products or services. The ninth way is transcribing. Many businesses need audio converted into written form. If you're a fast typist, this could be a great option. Lastly, you can make money by watching videos online. Companies pay for views and reviews of their content, and all you need is time and attention. So, to recap, the 10 ways to make money online without any skills are completing online surveys, freelancing, affiliate marketing, selling products online, testing websites and apps, entering online competitions, tutoring, becoming a social media influencer, transcribing, and watching videos. These options require little to no expertise, just time, determination, and a good internet connection. Remember, the online world is full of opportunities. So why wait? Start exploring these 10 ways to make money online today. All the best on your digital money-making journey.